The same salad can help you one week and bloat you the next. If that has ever made you feel like your body is broken, it isn't. You've just never been taught the correct order of things. I'm Alisa Vitti. For 25 years, I've helped women fix the problems that doctors couldn't around their period. And the single biggest unlock is this: you're not running on a 24-hour clock. You're running on a 4-phase cycle, and each phase wants something different. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the exact way to eat and move in each phase so your body finally works with you. Even if your cycle is irregular, this still applies. So just stick with me. Here's the trap. You found a routine that worked. The smoothie, the strength training, the sleep schedule. For a while, it feels like magic. And then one week, you're doing all those same things, but you're feeling exhausted, puffy, and irritable. So you assume that you need to just push harder or maybe try something new. But you don't. The routine didn't stop working. Your hormones moved into a new phase and your inputs didn't move with them. I made this mistake for years, doing all the right things in the wrong sequence and wondering why I felt punished for being consistent. Let me give you the order of operations. 4 phases, 4 different jobs, right? Phase 1, the follicular phase, the week after your bleed, right? The energy is rising. This is the time for fresh, light foods and trying new, more challenging cardio-based workouts. Your body can handle novelty here. Phase 2, ovulatory, the few days around ovulation. You're at your peak, raw, cooling, fiber-rich foods, and your highest intensity training. This is also when you're most magnetic, so schedule those big conversations here too. Phase 3, the luteal phase, the longest stretch in your cycle, and it's right before you bleed. Your body wants warm, grounding, magnesium-rich foods that promote blood sugar stability and steadier movement as well. So strength training over just all-out cardio. This is where most women fight their bodies and lose, so don't do that. Phase 4 is the menstrual phase, your period, right? So we want more iron, we want more minerals, we want warmth, we want rest, real rest. This is the phase that culture tells you to keep pushing through, and pushing through is exactly what creates next month's PMS. So here's the principle underneath all of it: rhythm, routines, and consistency. Not more, not harder, the right things in the right order, repeated. Don't do all the things in wellness. Do the things that your body needs consistently. Most women have been handed a man's playbook for a woman's body. Eat the same way every day, train the same way every day, keep pushing no matter how you're feeling. It's no wonder you feel like you're failing. You were never failing. You were just following the wrong map. When you eat and move in sequence with your cycle, something shifts that goes way past your symptoms. You stop seeing your body as an opponent to manage and start seeing it as an intelligent partner to work with. That's the whole game. I use biology to help women fall back in love with their bodies, because when you love something, you take care of it. If you want this laid out simply, I made a free cycle syncing starter guide that breaks down exactly what to eat and what to do in each phase. Comment sync and I'll send it, or it's linked in the description. Subscribe and I'll show you how to sync your workouts to each phase next, so you stop burning out in the second half of your month.